It's been boiling hot and uncomfortable this past week in the Cape provinces, with temperatures soaring to the upper 30s and in some areas to 40 degrees, which has made it very difficult for firefighters to contain raging fires, especially in the Western Cape. Thankfully, the fire has been contained at the Overstrand area, but we still have a few fires burning in the winelands of the Western Cape. Hopefully, most of them has been contained by the time you watch this forecast. Now, it is going to be a few degrees cooler this weekend, still becoming hot with some wind. So here's the weekend forecast. Starting with our synoptic analysis showing this coastal low bringing in foggy conditions at first on Saturday for the west coast, and then also overnight into Saturday morning, a few more showers likely over the central part of South Africa, clearing up, and then an upper level chart is strengthening, bringing down lots of moisture across South Africa on Saturday, where we are expecting isolated to scattered thunderstorms to develop as far west as the Western Cape, stretching over the central part of South Africa, as well as into KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Therefore, you'll have excellent PV harvest on your solar panel at first in the shade of red across South Africa, except for here where it's going to be cloudy most of the day, and then later becoming average as thunderstorms are expected to develop over the central as well as the eastern areas of South Africa. Yet again, foggy on Sunday morning over the west coast and foggy patches for the southern coastline, Eastern Cape. If you're up early enough, you'll also see some fog the morning in the Free State, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And then we still have that upper level chart that's bringing down lots of moisture for South Africa. It's quite unstable, and yet again scattered to isolated storms expected to develop over most parts of South Africa on Sunday. A fresh northeasterly wind blowing along the east coast on Saturday. We're expecting mainly light to moderate winds in the Western Cape, which will make it a little bit more comfortable for firefighters trying to contain fires in those areas. Yet again, only moderate winds on a Sunday, but then from the afternoon, a little bit of a fresh breeze might pick up here in the green shade in parts of the West Coast district as well as the Karoo, with still that fresh east to northeasterly wind blowing along the coast of the Eastern Cape. So how hot is it going to get this weekend on Saturday? Thankfully, not as hot as earlier this week, but still quite hot, especially in the shade of dark red, where maximum temperatures will soar to the mid and upper 30s. A hot 32 degrees in Cape Town and upper 20s for the southern coastline, soaring to 36 degrees on Saturday afternoon in Graafrenet. Also warm to very warm over eastern South Africa. Yet again, hot on Sunday in Upington with 37 degrees. A few degrees lower in Cape Town, but still very warm with 27 upper 20s for the southern coastline and KwaZulu-Natal, with a comfortable 26 on a Sunday for Johannesburg. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go. And compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.